All right, this is funny how I had a clean area. I was working on this, want to get the truck in, and then I get this next door. I get come around the corner, come back from the store. I see this sitting over here. I go, oh my god! I got to get rid of this box. I'm gonna rebox this. I found a better box in the trash. See what we got. Who knows? Maybe I might try to piece it back together. Maybe not. Oh my, what did they do here? Maybe not. Look at that's broken off over here. Whoever was working on this was a complete idiot. Just a complete idiot, whoever was working on this. I know who it was too. It's like they just were bored and they wanted to take something apart. This is so bad. I think there's even pry marks on the gas tank over here. They were trying to like pry up on the gas tank? I don't know. iPower China. But what's sad is probably this generator head is okay. I want to take this battery off. That's going to go to the scrap iron yard. That's worth a couple bucks. Get rid of that. Get rid of some weight. What is that? Yeah, same as a jump box. Yeah, I got a better box outside. I'm going to get rid of this wet one. What else did we get? I don't know. Truck is over full with crap. I think there's actually fuel in here. I don't think the fuel is bad. Oh god, no, actually the fuel is bad. Look how rusty the tank is. This is shit. That tank is shot. This thing is scrap metal. Okay, it's scrap metal. No doing anything. We have to drain that fuel out though. The tank is shot. We can try to sell the frame, but this area is worthless and there's 5,000 million generators for sale. So, that's not going to work. Yeah. I'm just going to probably take the engine out and lighten it up. And then I can toss the frame in the truck. We can do this. I'm already full. So, we're going to have 2 runs. And this is going to have to go as well. So, I don't know. I wish the scrap gods for stuff, and it's just too much. This fuel actually might be okay, though, if I filter it. I don't know yet. Let's see. That tank is rotted, though. People did not take care of their stuff. Yeah, I don't know what they did here. You see, this is... It would be really cool to put this back together, but... Probably got a good ABR on it. Like, why? Parts are, like, falling off in the street, too. Okay, they closed that, which is good. Because fuel is going to be pissing out of it if this valve stays on. Wow, they literally took everything off of this thing. Like why? Like, why? I don't know. What the frick is this thing over here? Why did they do this? I don't know. Like, how'd they even get this off? Probably beaded it with a stick or something? Okay. That's a cowl bolt. I don't know. Is it mangled over here? Probably is. I don't know. If I had unlimited money, I would buy a cylinder head for this. You see, something broke on this. Right there. Something broke off. There was a spring on here, too. I don't know where the spring went. Maybe I lost it in the road. I don't know. The other valve. Something happened over here. This valve is totally stuck. There's something wrong with the cylinder. Maybe that was the rocker arm shaft broke off over there. Maybe there was a pivot. Maybe. It seems like the valve is tight. In there. That's your exhaust valve. That's your intake. Something happened with that. I don't know. I might just take the whole engine apart. I'll get more money for it in the cast. The governor thing is, it'll be a nightmare putting this thing back together. This might be the same oil thing as my my one. Might save the generator head. Be cool if you can repower it with a Honda, but again, I don't have money or time for this shit right now. If I had like a farm or something, but it's just unfortunate. Oh god. What did they do here? I really don't know. We're gonna go through this quickly though. There's probably other junk that they just have in their trash pail, so it's probably missing. Oh my god, what did they do? What did they do? Look at this mess. This is like gonna be like impossible to put back together. This is just boredom. That's what people do in condo land. They have to be drinking, and this is all bent out of shape. Look at this thing. It's like hit, like dented. Oh my god, the recoil is probably cool. But we gotta quickly go through this shit because trash day is tomorrow and I don't want to be collecting junk. Yeah. Unbelievable. I dumped some of this into the street too, and I think I found everything. Yeah. There's probably more in the bottom of the trash pail. Oh, air filter housing? Okay. It's like generic generator shit. Oh wait, look at that. That's the same as a generic. Okay. Air filter. Okay, we're getting there. Put it back together. Yeah, look, a socket. I bought a socket. They get so frustrated with it, they just leave it. Yeah, this box sucks though, so I'm gonna go get rid of this. What should I do with my destroyed generator? This is gonna be scrapped. The cart's gonna be scrapped. And this is probably gonna be scrapped too. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, coil for the starter. Which thing? Look at that, they cut it off. Starter motor? Starter motor. Why would you take apart a starter motor like this? They're on drugs in condo land, man, I'm telling you. I'm not a car mechanic. Oh, there's the other valve. Nothing really looks wrong with this one. Okay. Alright. Figured out what the engine size is. Yeah, I want to get rid of this box though. I hate to get wet, this box. Maybe it was sitting outside. Okay, that's probably the crank bolt, maybe? Or the one in the back. Look what they did to the starter on this thing. Like, why would you take apart the starter of all things? Why would you take apart the starter? Oh my god, this is what I've seen cars in a junkyard like this. Someone had a problem and they take this to the whole car apart. They totally destroyed the car for no reason at all. Goes around the valve cover. Is there even a valve cover? I'm not seeing a cover for that valve cover anywhere. Oh no, I found it. Yeah. Yeah. What a basket case. Look at all this. It's like planter gears and... Wow, it must have like no hours on it. Look at the spark plug on it. This thing's probably like brand new. Oh god. I probably just needed like a valve adjustment or something. That's funny, man. It's just haha funny. But it's not. What a nightmare. Alright, let me go bag this shit up maybe. And see what we got here. What a freaking nightmare. Alright, let me go bag this shit up maybe. And see what we got here. What a freaking nightmare. What a nightmare. What a freaking 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 night And just look at this thing, like what? Fucking crackhead. Where's the governor on? You couldn't put this together if you... Why is this removed? Look at the starter Bendix. Like, why would you take the starter part? Why? The electric starter, why? This is scrap. Because of incompetence. Just unbelievable. When I first saw it, I go, hey, maybe we can put it back together. And then I started looking more and more and more. I go, nope. Nope. You can't. You can't. They ruined it. 12,000 watts though. Yeah. Like, how? How did this happen? Look at that. It's split. That's crazy. And why'd you take apart the back of the alternator? Like, I don't get this. I really don't. Anyway, it's junk. The frame's cool though. But I think this is the world's worst generator attempt on repair. I found it in the trash. Usually just like the air cleaner's off or something, like they can't get it going. But this is extreme. I had a lawnmower years ago that was pretty roached like this as well. I don't really know why they did it, but they did. I don't know how that fan goes on. That was in the front. I don't know. Why square? I don't know. This is just total crap. Probably a lot of good hardware and stuff in here, but you know, I just can't hold on to all this shit. I live in a condo, so that's gonna be scrapped out, unfortunately. This one's not gonna make it. iPower SUA12000E. E for electric start. I don't know. Rest in peace, buddy. You had a bad person that touched you, and now you're gonna be no longer. Like the engine's loose, and this like, I don't know, man. I did is stupid though. I had no idea they put caster wheels in the front, and I'm lifting the thing because I don't want to lift it in the back of the truck because it's so heavy. So I just rolled it back over here, and then halfway here, I realized that I had caster wheels in the front, and I was like, man, I was like doing a strong man. I'm surprised I can even do this shit. I'm injured and everything. Like my hand barely works. Freaking burns. But we're managing. Other people have it worse. You see them out and about. They even removed the whole control panel, like where the power is. I don't know. But they left the fuel tank on. That's like the first thing you take off is the fuel tank when you work on a generator. And you put that to the side. They did like everything opposite. I don't know, man. But oh well. At least we'll get some scrap metal out of it. And a funny video. Man, crackheads, man. Crackheads.